Korea's subway rocks. Korea's subway system is seriously next level. It's spotless, roomy, and smells great. The trains are whisper quiet too. Free Wi-Fi? Yes, please. Phone charging? Stations have you covered. Sparkling clean and free restrooms. The map looks wild, but signs are perfect. Korean, English, Chinese, Japanese, got it all. Skip the tickets, just tap your card. Trains are always on time. Korea's subway is world-class for sure. Smash that like button and subscribe for more Korea adventures.